Hey everyone, so today we're diving into True Nutra Drops. It's this liquid supplement advertised for better circulation, more energy, and general wellness using natural stuff like cayenne pepper, beetroot, and turmeric. In this review, we'll go over what it claims to do, real pros and cons from users, and whether it's legit or a scam. I'll keep it straightforward and simple so you know exactly what to expect. So basically, True Nutra Drops is a small bottle with a dropper. You take it daily under your tongue or mixed in water for quick absorption. The big claims are improved blood flow, steady energy without jitters, metabolism support, and some detox benefits from those herbal ingredients. They say it's natural, GMP made, and easy for anyone to use. First impressions from the site show a clean bottle and professional packaging, with promises of fast shipping. Early notes say some people feel a warming tingle from the cayenne right away, but long-term effects like real energy boosts or better circulation seem to vary a lot person to person. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. Scam Advisor gives sites like TrueNutrastore.com a super low score of 15 out of 100 and flags things like negative reviews and suspicious patterns. Grid and Soft rates it just 1 out of 100 with high risk signals. The domain is about 11 months old, which isn't brand new, but still pretty young for a trusted brand. Overall, it leans high risk. Moving on to real user experience and reviews. Trustpilot for TrueNutrastore.com has a 1.5 out of 5 from 56 reviews, and it's mostly bad. People mention misleading info, no real changes in energy or health after weeks, and small bottles that don't last as promised. The pattern is negative. Some feel a short warming sensation, but most say it's overhyped with little to no lasting results. For example, one person said, "Dishonesty. Product information is misleading. I ordered product and was double billed. Scammers." Another wrote, "Fraud in disguise. I ordered once. I did not choose a subscription, but before my order even arrived, I was informed that I'd ordered again because I'd subscribed. After complaining, they offered me a 10% discount. Can you believe the audacity? And eventually, they gave me a 25% discount after I threatened a bad review. I haven't even tried the product yet. Don't get caught." Then there's, "This company is a scam. They continue to charge you even when you cancel." And one more, "They are crooks. They sign you up for an automatic subscription with no notice. They're using health to stack their pockets. Do not buy or use this product." Now let's break down the pros and cons from actual use. Pros, it's super easy to take, the taste isn't bad for most, and a few users notice a quick warming or mild energy lift from the ingredients. On the cons side, many report zero noticeable improvements in circulation or daily energy after finishing bottles. The supply runs out faster than expected, and the big claims don't match what people actually feel. Basically, it's subtle at best and disappointing for a lot of folks. For additional evidence and red flags, the biggest issues are subscription traps where one-time orders turn into auto charges you can't easily stop, refund fights, and ongoing billing even after cancellation attempts. YouTube videos and forums echo these complaints about shady practices. A small green flag is the ingredients are common and real, but the red flags on billing and weak results make it risky. So, putting it all together, natural drops with some mild short-term tingles for a few, but super low trust scores like 15 on Scam Advisor and 1 on Grid and Soft, only 11-month-old domain, terrible 1.5 Trustpilot from 56 reviews full of billing horror stories, and overhyped claims, the picture clearly leans toward high risk. My honest take, the product might not be completely fake, but the subscription scams and lack of real benefits make it not worth the hassle. Skip this and go for established supplements on Amazon with better reviews and easy returns. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.